So let's look at one of these. So why don't we just take, okay, for example, this one, which will be arriving at 11:30 from JFK, and we just click that work package open, and now what we can see here, we can actually now see the work orders, and you can zoom in, you can have a closer look at that, you see when the shifts are changing and so forth. So for example, in this work package, the shift will be changing in the middle of that latter work order, for example, here. Now what we can do is that if we can also look at each of these work orders, that what is required for them. Now we can see that what is available there. And now if we look at when we go and start planning, I just click that one button, which is like start planning. Now we can actually see on the right-hand side, if you look at the people on the right-hand side, when I click these work orders, it is changing because it is actually now showing that who are available that would be qualified and they have the skills for this work order. So many times what happens is that, planners, they know that this person would be excellent for that task, for that aircraft.
Yeah.
So it's not just that let the automation do everything, but they are like, okay, I know that this person, if that person is available, I want to have that person. So let's do it. Let's take one person. And of course, all this data is demo data. So we have like too many people available that in reality we would have. Which is
an ideal scenario.
Yeah, which is of course nice for the demo, but in reality it's like when we talked about this workforce shortage, the list of the people would be much shorter.
It will be empty.
Almost. So we can see about
Robert's
the person,
William.
yeah, and then we can just track and drop that person there. And now that's reserved for the time that person is available. And now I can look at the person and select, okay, I want to have that person for that work order. And there it is. And then I can tell the system, okay, I'm happy with that. Let's just hit the magic wand.
Yeah, because what you did now was a manual transfer.
Exactly. So this is like what people can be doing today with Excels and all that. So just putting all the data and just trying to mix and match everything manually. But when you have like 100 aircraft, 200 aircraft, and you have like thousands of people, and everything is dynamic, changes happening all the time, it's like too much to handle. Because again, like we discussed earlier, you have to also understand what tasks can be done at the same time, what have to be done first, what after that. So let's hit the magic wand and let the system decide the rest. And now we can see 96%. That's really good. Why not 100? Well, there are people over there. They need to have breaks. They need to have time to walk to the aircraft and so forth. If I'm happy, I just say, yes, let's save it. Now it's saved. And then basically what the planner is doing, the planner is targeting to have everything green. So if the whole screen just shows green, I'm happy, everything can be done. Now you can maybe see that there's something red over there as well. What actually that means is that for some companies, they have planners that plan the production, and then they have supervisors or some people who then approve those plans. And that's for that. So you can see that there's a little bit tick mark over there. So now I can approve it. Yeah, looks good. I approve it. And now it's green.
You approved it.
I did.
Oh.
I did. And that looks good.
So one click.
Yeah, exactly.